In the last 6 months, I bought over $100 million in real estate, and you can too. You guys may have heard in one of my other videos that I talk about like the real estate triad, where you sell real estate, you learn how to sell real estate at a really high level so that you can build a real estate business where you're coaching agents on how to sell real estate at a really high level. And you've got that leverage running in your business. You've got staff members, transaction coordinators, inside sales agents, all these different people, and it's created a business for you. You have a real estate business now. Congratulations. But after that, it starts to spit off cash flow. Hopefully you run it really profitably to a point where you have all this cash flow coming in. But what do you do with the cash flow, right? What do you do? Most real estate agents, unfortunately, they just blow it. They're buying ridiculous cars. They're buying stupid RVs. They're buying all this stuff that are just a bunch of liabilities. They're just a bunch of toys. They're not actually making them money. And there's a principle that Warren Buffett has, which is if you're not making money while you sleep, you're going to work till you die. And unfortunately, most of those agents and team leaders, they're going to work till they die. They're going to continue to just go around and round and round on the real estate hamster wheel forever. But hopefully not you guys. For me and my real estate business, I take the cash flow out of the business and immediately work to put it into real estate investments. But not just single family homes, not just some good deals here and there, but I take that money and put it into real estate syndication. So this may be a very foreign concept to you, but real estate syndications are for the insiders. They're for the real estate insiders, the investment insiders who are looking for the amazing deals. And we're talking about commercial buildings, shopping centers, but what I focus in is multifamily housing. And this isn't just like a 10 to 15 unit building. We're talking 150 to 300 unit big time apartment complexes. And I go in as a partner. Guys, these buildings we're talking about, or these multifamily properties, they're not just 2 million, 3 million, 5 million. We're talking about 25 to $50 million on average purchase. Now, of course, my real estate business doesn't spit off that kind of cash flow so quickly, but what I do is I go in as a partner in these businesses, and it changes everything. Huge depreciation tax write-offs. You have recession-proof assets, and the more the economy changes, the more commercial real estate and rents just go up. So in the last 6 months, I was actually able to take the cash flow out of my real estate business and invest it with partners into these giant apartment complexes that right now have a value of over $100 million. And now I've got assets on my balance sheet that show the equity in over $100 million worth of multifamily real estate. And my life and my family's life, it's absolutely changing. But I talked to you guys in the real estate triad where I said, you've got to create an asset, a real estate team, a real estate business that spits off cash flow where you can take it and invest into other hard assets, just like into multifamily real estate, which continues to go to work for you. Not to mention all the massive tax breaks that come along with it, but that's a whole nother video. But this is exactly how I took my real estate team, my real estate business right here in Southern California, and had it spit off and create the equity interest in hundreds of millions of dollar real estate in the last 6 months. And you guys can do it too. So hopefully you guys found this valuable, how exactly I took the cash flow of my real estate business, turned it in to over $100 million in real estate, just like you guys can. If you found this valuable, subscribe, hit the button below, and I'll see you guys on the other side.